Hello everybody, how's it going? Let's check out YouTube video statistics tool today. So I got this running on a Windows 10 machine and Python 3 is installed. Make sure you have that, else it wouldn't work. So here we have a Windows command line tool open. This here is the local file explorer. This is the YouTube channel where we're gonna get some data from. So first of all, we want to grab the path where our script is in and navigate to that path in the command line. And then we like to execute this little script here, YouTube video statistics .py. This could take some time importing modules and stuff. How was your weekend? Write in the comments if you like this tool and what ideas you have for improvements. Appreciate it. Obviously, we would improve the time. So now we want to insert the channel ID. You can find it in the URL of the YouTube channel. And then let's go. This went rather quick. So this channel has 10 videos that are publicly available. And then let's check out the output folder. If we find the Excel file, yeah, and here it is next to the default one. We can just open it. Let's see if this goes quick. Yes, it does. Come on, buddy. So, and now we see we have quite a few infos like video ID, the date published, the channel ID, the title, the tags, category ID and the category name. If there are subtitles, unfortunately I don't have any in my channel so far. And we have the license and most important maybe the view count, the like count, the dislike count, and the links to the thumbnails. Hope you enjoy. See you soon.